Hello, this is math instructional videos for class 1430. We are going to begin today with number 16. You must use a calculator to find the approximate value of each expression. Round to the 2 decimal places. It's very important we do this, because if not, your answer is wrong. Okay, so for this you are going to need calculator, correct? And we have 3 problems. Our first problem is the sine of 40. So, what you do is you find sine on the calculator, mine is right here, make sure it's in degrees, put in sine, put in 40, and there comes your answer. And you must round to second decimal place, 0.64. The next problem is 10 pi over 9. Now we must make note that the number now is in radians, so we must go to this button right here and switch over to radians. Then we take tangent pi divided by 9 equals 0.36. The third problem, now is very important you listen, is secant 12. Now, secant is not present on the calculator, so what we have to do is we used to use our identities. So we know that secant equals 1 over cosine theta. So what we do is 1 divide, before you do that, switch over back to degrees. 1 divided by cosine 12 equals 1.02. And that is the first instructional video.